Go. Oh wait, there it is. Clovers. Is that your pigeon? Very beautiful. All right, what about your dove? I'm sorry, your dove. That's your dove. Where's your dove, Jupiter? The wing. Get the wing. All right, let's see the pigeon. Let's see some pigeon. Let's see some pigeon action. All right, show me some of the movements he does. Do your omnia. One more. All right, well, let's end it with. I'm being attacked by a pigeon. All right, so someone give me the pigeons together. I mean the doves together, and that's it. We'll sign off. Come on, pigeon. I mean dove.